Who do you think is softer, like my hair or Leah's fluff? Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'll have the answer in the end of the video, at the very end. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a video, the same kind that I had made when I was starting this YouTube channel like way back in 2017, about my hair hacks. And Leah doesn't want me filming, she's all over the place. She's examining the camera setup here, if you can hear her. That's her. Okay, take two. Like I was saying, today's video is going to be one of those videos that we used to make way back when we were starting this channel, about hair. Like the hair hacks I made and how to grow your hair longer, those videos. When my videos were in 144 pixels, both figuratively and literally.
And meet somebody's hair, how great they look, how flawless it looks.
But now that we are in 4K and I've all super grown up and everything, here are a few tips for you to grow your hair a lot longer and a lot quicker. Back when the salons were opening up after the brief quarantine period in like August-ish, I got a haircut and it was literally this big, my hair, this long I mean, and now it is about this long. So this is how long my hair used to be, just right around my shoulder. And let's take a tape measure and see how long it is right now. Do you guys see that? Oh, whoa. Okay. It is a little over 12 inches. This is how long my hair is right now, and my hair has grown about 12 inches in these 4 months, which means, doing quick math here, it gives us 3 inches per month. That is quick, fast hair growth. So I am blessed with some genetics. I've always forever had long hair, ever since 5th grade that I can remember. I've had hair that goes up to my hips. So that is super long hair and I'm blessed with that genetics. My mom has hair all the way to her knees, so we have good genetics. Apart from that, let me give you some tips the way I grow my hair. So let's get onto the video and the tips that you need to grow your hair super fast and super long. Tip number 1, using coconut oil for your hair. This is a no-brainer. I've been telling you this since I've made my channel from 2017, so you should know I stand by it. So here's what happens with your hair, right? Your hair follicle looking like this, all happy and healthy. When you go take a shower using hot water, shampoo with chemicals and so many other things in it, it damages it, it strips its natural oils off, and it leaves it a little not so happy, looking like this. So when you use coconut oil before showering, hopefully you can do it a few hours before that, but if you can, just put coconut oil on your hair just before you take a shower at least. I do not let shampoo touch my hair without there being coconut oil on top of it. It just makes a protective layer on top of your hair and just protects it, keeps it nice and safe and healthy for you. So that's my first tip. Always put on some coconut oil on your hair before you take a shower. We've just realized from tip number 1 what washing, shampooing and hot water does to your hair. So if you keep doing this very often, like every day or every other day, it tends to strip your hair of its natural oils, which is there to protect it and give it that shine and everything. Once you've started washing it every day, there's no more of that natural oil left that is there to protect your hair. So your hair is more likely to get damaged, more likely to break off, and less likely to grow. So I would suggest washing your hair no more than twice a week. Slowly train your hair and it'll be okay for you to wash it just like once a week or maybe twice a week, but no more than that. Tip number 3, using castor oil. Castor oil is a slightly thicker kind of oil. So like I said, castor oil is slightly thicker and so it might not be for everybody. I personally prefer coconut oil over castor oil, but if you are okay with the thickness and if you want to expedite the process a little bit more, definitely use castor oil. My next tip for you guys is to not change your shampoo often. This is because your hair just gets used to one kind of shampoo. And when you change it, it just goes through a period of panic. And if it has more chemicals and different kind of chemicals, your hair just doesn't like it, so it tends to start falling off, and that panic period and confusion period for your hair just doesn't help with the hair growth process. So I would highly suggest sticking to your kind of shampoo and not changing it ever so often. This can help you reduce hair fall as well. The next tip is cold shocking your hair. So hear me out. Once you're done taking your shower, which usually consists of steaming hot water right on your hair, just give it some cold water to settle down and calm down. This will not only increase the shine of your hair, it'll also close down the hair follicles, and you are growing your hair a lot faster. The next tip is not brushing your hair while it's wet. While your hair is wet, it is more likely to break and fall off. But if you really want to do it, I would highly suggest using a white tooth comb to just brush it down and just detangle it ever so slightly and not being harsh on it at all. Last and final tip for you guys, this is a no-brainer. Avoid using heat on your hair. Heat damages our hair, and we all know this, but we still do it. And it's just sad for your hair. It's doing so much, and the least you can do is protect it, right? If you cannot avoid it or reduce using heat on your hair, the least you can do for your hair is using a good heat protectant. Always, before using heat on your hair, use some heat protectant and let it grow happy and healthy for you. And that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys were wondering what I'm wearing right here, this is from Seeing Things. They were kind enough to send me this one and a few other of their stuff, and it is amazing. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had a similar colored sweatshirt that I loved and wore it throughout the year, but Leah here ripped it right in the middle recently, and when she sent me this hoodie in this color, I was so glad and thankful she did. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave the website link down below so you can check it out for yourself. And that being said, let me know in the comments down below which of these hair hacks you already knew and you already do. And let me know which ones your favorites are. Mine, honestly, is coconut oil. I cannot live without it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new and upcoming videos, which will have me and Leah in it, so subscribe, because it's free too. I will see you in my next video. Until then, signing off, LightninGirl. Bye! Yeah, so for that earlier question, who is softer, Leah's fluff or my hair? You guys have no idea how soft this girl is. She's just so much softer than my hair. And her secrets we'll probably never know.